Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Today I'm sharing 3 different ways to fix thin, weak nails. Does this sound like you? My nails are so thin and flimsy, they break just from bumping into something. After doing gel nails for a while, my nails started getting thinner and weaker. If any of that sounds familiar, I encourage you to try one of the solutions in this video. We'll go over how to restore your nails naturally, how to strengthen them quickly using professional products, and even how to reinforce your nails without spending a lot of money. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start with why nails become thin in the first place. Some people are born with naturally thin nails, but many others notice their nails getting thinner after repeated gel nail use. There are 3 major causes. If your gel polish starts lifting, it can be tempting to peel it off instead of removing it properly, but when you do that, you often end up peeling off the top layer of your natural nail too, making it thinner in just one go. Even peel-off base gels, which are becoming popular, can damage your nails if they're difficult to remove. If you apply too much pressure while prepping the nail surface, or file your entire nail each time you redo your gel, the nail plate can get thinner and thinner. Frequent acetone use during removal dries out the nails, weakening and thinning them over time. Once your nails become thin, you can't return them to their original thickness. That's why prevention is key. But if your nails are already thin, here are 3 ways to address it. First, let's talk about care for those who want to restore their thin nails to a healthy state. In this case, it's best to take a break from gel nails for a while. Instead, try using a product designed to help grow stronger nails. I personally recommend OPI Nail Envy, a professional-grade nail strengthener. This series includes formulas packed with ingredients to support nail repair and reinforcement. It won't make your nails rock hard, but it adds enough strength to prevent bending or breaking. Apply a little every day, and over time you can grow healthier nails. There are also tinted versions, so you can still enjoy a polished look while protecting your nails. If you want to step back from gel but still take good care of your nails, this is a great choice. Next, let's say you still want to enjoy doing your nails and need something strong right now. For that, I recommend using hard gel. There are 2 main types of gel, soft gel and hard gel. Soft gel can be removed with a remover, but hard gel doesn't dissolve in remover. And once cured, it becomes incredibly hard. Applying hard gel and curing it under a light will create a very solid nail surface. However, don't apply hard gel directly onto thin, soft nails. Because soft nails bend easily with daily hand movements, applying hard gel directly can cause lifting or cracking. Instead, first apply a regular base gel and cure it. Then apply the hard gel on top. The base gel acts as a cushion and helps improve durability. Lastly, this tip is for those who want to strengthen their nails using what they already have without spending much. Most over-the-counter gel products are soft gels, which don't offer much strength on their own. That's where acrylic powder comes in. After applying base gel, sprinkle acrylic powder evenly over the nail. Cure it with a light. Then add one more coat of base gel and cure again. This creates a surprisingly hard finish, comparable to hard gel. If you already have acrylic powder on hand, this method lets you strengthen your nails without needing to buy anything extra. So those were 3 pro tips for fixing weak nails. 1. Use OPI Nail Envy to nourish and strengthen over time. 2. Apply hard gel over base gel for instant, pro-level strength. 3. Reinforce your nails easily using acrylic powder you may already own. Choose the method that fits your lifestyle and your nail goals, and you'll be able to enjoy nail care even with thin nails. If any of these tips were helpful, give them a try and see how they work for you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.